This is a brand new 2013 GMC Yukon. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a limited slip differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a heated steering wheel, heated seats, a navigation system, a DVD player, chrome wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, adjustable driver pedals, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Henry Brown Buick GMC is located at 1550 East Drivers Way in Gilbert. Family owned and operated, offering every customer a premier experience. Cars and trucks and trades are worth more at Henry Brown Car and Truck Store.